All right. Why do you get stuck? Hey folks, how's it going? The weather's getting better here. Right now I have my impact gun and I need to work on my truck. If you guys don't follow along, last year I was saying my e-brake got stuck, or emergency handbrake. It happened to me again this past winter, so I am going to open up or take out the wheel and open up the rear drum, because this is the one who's getting stuck on the handbrake. So that's the plan today, and I got an attachment with me for my GoPro. That way you can watch me progress taking apart this tire. So that's the plan today. So let me just get this started, and yeah. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and turn on the notification. So this is about the time for me to open this rear drum and take a look what got stuck in there. All right. Why do you get stuck? All right, I just opened the drum. There's a lot of brake dust. Be careful when you breathe that. That's dangerous. That's why I'm always far from it. I'm going to wipe it down. I'm going to do a little bit more sanding, and I'm going to do a little bit of testing on the e-brake. Just pull the e-brake on it, see if that will do something. But my end, I'm looking at it, it looks fine. The shoe is still in good shape. Like, it's still thick. It's not thin or thin pad. So I'm going to do some more testing, and I'm going to pull. I don't even know if I want to pull the e-brake when the shoe's off, But yeah, I'm just going to do a little bit of cleanup and do some sanding. It's just probably the drum. There's a little bit of score on it, so it's probably grabbing it from it. So I'm just going to clean it off and go from there. Alright, that's pretty much it. I just looked at the drum, put the wheel back in. Now all I have to do is just retorque it, and again retorque it at 100 kilometers. Retorque it again, that way the wheel can settle to its form, because due to it's on air, it hasn't even settled yet. So that's what I recommend. When you remove your tire and put it back in, get a retorqued again at this one is at 100 pounds feet of torque, and that's pretty much it. Hey folks, so I did a couple of testing on my handbrake, and it works perfectly. It doesn't stick that much anymore. The only reason it was probably sticking because of the brake dust buildup in the rear drum. I checked all the mechanism and it worked perfectly. Yeah, it's due to, like, that's the only downfall with the drum compared to this. All that with the disc, all the drum brake dust will just go to the wheel, and the drum, it's all mostly sealed unit. It's a solid axle sealed, so there's no way the brake dust will escape. So it's trapped in there until I open it up, do a couple of adjustments on it, like what I did to my Honda Fit. There's a few adjustments on it, so that's what I did, and yeah, it's never stick ever since then. But now I realized it, and before winter hits, I have to take off, do the same procedure again, take off the drum and make sure that rear drum is clear, and sanded. The reason I sanded it, basically to make it the edges more rounded. That way, if I do disengage the handbrake, it doesn't stick, because what it is there's kind of marks, score, grooves on it, and I don't want just to make sure. I just want to make sure it's more rounded and flat as possible. Back in the day, you can get the brake drums turned, but not too much anymore because it's cheaper to buy a whole new drum set or disc. So I back then, yeah. So you can basically buy a new disc and drum set for the price of turning it. And yeah, so far no problems, and yeah, that's perfect time right now. The snow is clearing up. I got a lot of work to do, so I got a lot of people calling me up. I'm trying to organize a time frame, making sure the weather is it's nice out. That way I can do some more work on my truck. I found out there's more problems into it. There's a pinion seal leak on it. I ordered the part as soon as I have time. I have to take everything apart and try to get that seal out of there and replace it. Yeah, sorry, my phone is going on the left and right now, but yeah, I will get it done as soon as possible. My priority right now is just to work on that truck, making sure there is that seal is fixed. That way I don't lose any oil due to the weather, and yeah. Anyways, I'll keep you posted. I'll leave and keep you posted on it, the progress, and put a comment down below. And if you see something else that you're questioning about, let me know. Comments down below. Or if you have any suggestions or any questions, put a comment down below or email me. My email is down on the description button. So anyways, I'm going to wrap up the video for this week. So always remember to stay fly. Forever living young. Peace.